Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explore about purchase order entry. This screen is to make purchase entry. In the purchase order entry screen, SystemEver provides more specific data, so the user can enter more information related with purchase order activity, like specification, manufacturer, until the item number. And in SystemEver, we decide to provide more specific, like we separate between purchase request and purchase order screen. And if you see in Visual Key Flow, the first step is we have to make the purchase request. Then after get the approval, we move to the purchase order. But sometimes there's a company can make the purchase order directly without making the purchase request. So it depends on our company regulation. And let's take a look from the toolbar area. There are new, inquiry, save, delete row, delete, purchase order printout to see the print, purchase supply entry. And below that, there are several the basic information in order to use or to save and do the inquiry existing data. And don't forget to always focus filling the red color data before filling the other data because the red one is mandatory. Now we are going to try to make the sample data for purchase order activity. Like we set the purchase order date, the vendor, we have to choose. Okay. This is the name. Okay. And then we have to choose the vendor. Vendor number is the optional. We have to choose also the purchase order department is the procurement. The PIC, we can choose the PIC belongs to the procurement department. For this sample is Adara Chavali as the purchase order PIC. And then we set the expected supply date, the purchase order quantity, and also the amount and the unit price. And then we have to check again the warehouse. Just click and then we choose the warehouse, and then after that we can perform save. And that's the final of purchase order explanation. It's very simple, and thank you for watching and see you next video.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us an email.
SystemEver, making your business better.